Hello and welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks in just a minute.
What's up guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add text box on a Shopify product page. The first thing that you're gonna do is to open your page in Shopify and then look for apps. Just click on it and type down in the search bar text box. And right after you type on it, it will redirect you to a App Store page wherein you can see results on the text box that you have shared. So let's not have the first one because it has an ads. So let's go for the second option here. Just click on it. And there it will show you how to add a text box on your product on Shopify. Just click on Add App. And after that one, you need to click Install App. So just wait for a couple of seconds. And there you go. Let's go back to our home page in Shopify. So right after we go back to our home page, click on Settings. Let's see if it is already installed. You just have to click Apps and Sales Channels. So as what you can see, it is already installed in our Shopify. So I hope I was able to help.
Please like and subscribe for more content, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. We'll see you next time.